Today we are making a drink that is pretty, it's pink, and it's ready to drink. We're making the Flamingo. We are going to start off with half an ounce of Grenadine. Come out. Then you're going to go in with 0.25 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, a full ounce of pineapple juice, and lastly, 2 full ounces of aged rum. Ooh, watch out. Ooh, I spilled. It's okay. Party foul. Shush. We're not talking about it. Leave it alone. It's not nice. Okay. Ignore. Now all the ingredients are in here. We are going to add ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until the drink is ice cold in our hands. Stay. Okay, we did use fresh lime juice, so we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. We're going to strain right into a Nick and Nora glass. It's got a gorgeous color to it. Okay. No cocktail is complete without a garnish. So we have a gorgeous lime wedge here. That's just going to go on the edge there. Okay. There she is, the Flamingo. Okay, we're going to taste and we're going to rate. Okay, my sniffer doesn't work so well today, so I'm not really sure if I smell anything. Okay. It's actually not overly pineapple-y, but it's very refreshing. It's very light. You definitely get like kind of more of a cherry flavor coming from the grenadine, but it cuts nicely with the pineapple. Not super sweet by any means. So I would say if you would like this cocktail sweeter, I would add a little bit of simple syrup to it. Not much. I'd say like 0.25 ounces and like call it a day. But it's very refreshing, very easy to drink. For me, I think I'm going to give this one... I would like it a little sweeter, so I'm going to go with cocktail how it is. I'm going to go with a 3.8 out of 5. So a little lower for me. It's just not bursting with flavor. A good cocktail, but not in my wheelhouse. Anywho's, if you enjoy the cocktails, enjoy my rating scale, let me know if you're trying the cocktails. Let me know what your rating is. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see my gorgeous face every day. And of course, I can't help you, sir. I can't help you. Oh, he needs to wash his hands. Okay. Sorry. My youngest is 2, so we need to wash hands. Anyway, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cheers.